Hi guys, this is happening again. Just because I am probably going to ask my nan. Yes, my nan cuts my hair. No, she's not a hairdresser. She just cuts my hair for free, so I'm fine with it. She's probably going to cut my hair at the weekend, so I'm going to lose a lot of my bleached bits that I put colour on. So I thought I'd do the thing that I did last time and just like work it up a bit more. I might take it up into my fridge, I'm not sure yet. Anyway, I got the Jerome Russell one again because this one was really good last time. It didn't make my hair go yellow. It actually went like platinum, which is what you want, because all the other dyes I've used has always made my hair go yellow and then I have to like purple shampoo it for ages and blah, blah. This has been the best and they are cruelty free, I did check. But please let me know if I'm wrong because I'll stop using it. But I've done as much investigating and I'm pretty sure they do not test on animals. So, because I've seen this brand in Boots and I'm always tempted to try something out by them, but they're so expensive. But they were, I think it was 30% off. So this was £6, but it's a pretty big hair mask, so I won't need to use that much of it. So hopefully it'll be worth the money. So I'm going to use that afterwards because my hair is probably going to need some moisture. Right, I've changed my top because I'm going to get bleach on it. And I'm going to start, let's put some gloves on. Start at the front, let me take the glasses off. I've mixed it up. It looks like this blue. It gets really thick as you mix it. It's a really kind of crap brush, but we'll get on with it. I'm going to start from the front and work back. This says to do it on dry hair, so I'm doing it on dry hair. Now I'm going to take the gloved hand and just sort of mix it up a bit so that it's not so stark. The smell is already making my eyes sting a little bit. I'm going to do a little bit, my friend, why not? It just needs to be this bit. Just like this. And like that. That's all it needs to be. Okay, now we wait. Right, I'm washing it off now. It's been like 40 minutes. Alright, I look a bit crazy. Because the bleach has obviously made the already bleached bit more bleached and the bits that I've just done today are a little bit yellow, but that's okay because I'm going to be dyeing it a really pale blue tomorrow, so it's not going to be yellow, it's going to be a pale blue. And by the way, yes, I am aware that my blending abilities aren't the best. But trust me, it'll look so much better when there's a different colour on it, because it's just these contrasts just don't look good. But once it's blue, it won't look as bad. That's what I'm telling myself. Right, my hair dye just came in the post. I haven't used crazy colours since I've been vegan because I haven't been sure about if they test on animals or not, but some people have told me that they do not. So I'm going to use peacock blue, which is what I used years ago. It's such a nice colour and it can be made really pale, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to mix the dyes now. I'm going to use this. I know this is like really expensive and not the best thing to mix a dye with, but because I've just bleached my hair, I feel like leaving this on with the dye on will be good to like hydrate it and stuff. So I used this yesterday, by the way, and it smells so good. It smells like pina colada. And by the way, any newcomers to my hair dyeing videos, I don't use gloves. Unless it's bleach, I won't use gloves because I don't feel like it's necessary. So underneath is like quite yellow because obviously that's like the first time it's been bleached, but I think the blue will go over it. So I'm just gonna part my hair. Hopefully this will be enough. Oh, this looks really blue. Oh, I just remembered with crazy colour you're supposed to shampoo your hair first. I just completely forgot because I haven't used crazy colour in so long. Okay, it's been on for like 15 minutes, so I'm gonna wash it off now. And my hair is done. I didn't like it when I first looked at it, but now that it's now that I've got makeup on, I don't know why that happens. Just when I put makeup on, that's when I know if I like my hair or not. I don't know why. Whatever. Anyway, yeah, I think it looks quite cute. These bits of fringe are really annoying me. I just want them to grow out. But yeah. The only thing is, because this part underneath was it hasn't been bleached before, it's kind of gotten a tiny bit green, because that's just how what happens, because my hair was quite yellow before. If you dye it on top it will go a bit green, but it's nothing too bad, so I'm happy. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see this face, then hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.